Welcome back to the Porsche Top 5 Series. Even if this area has seen better days, there's no better showcase for our star today, the 918 Spyder. And today, we have two famous guests. Here are Lars Kern and Ansel Elgort.
Wow, I can already feel this car is a beast.
Yeah,
I already feel it. So tell me a little about this car. I am like already obsessed and I don't even know anything about it.
If you look from the front, it looks so aggressive. It looks so Porsche-like. So
Yeah.
if you look at the lines facing the rear wing,
Yeah.
it's just so sporty. It's the ultimate super sports car.
But the thing about it, what I like, is that it looks like a supercar, but it also, a Porsche looks classy. You don't look like you're driving an absurd car.
Yeah, it's not super aggressive.
No,
it's
yeah.
still classy.
It looks classy.
The roof, carbon mirrors, carbon rear wing, and the magnesium wheels,
Yeah.
they are part of the Weissach package. So it saves you 41 kilos, which makes the car even faster on the racetrack. Let me show you something cooler.
That's so, wait, that's crazy.
It's gone.
That is so crazy.
Yeah.
I did not think that could move. Can you put it up like while you're driving too?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Depends on you.
That's sick.
Yeah.
So it's
again,
like, it's like if you're at the stoplight, right, and you see somebody and you go going, vroom, 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 you could look at him and go,
yes, exactly.
and this is made out of carbon fiber.
Yeah, basically like most parts of the car.
So cool. I feel like the only time I've ever seen carbon fiber in my life is like in a race car video game when you can add it to your car and make it faster. I've never actually seen it in real life. It's so cool. And then this is the engine right here.
Exactly, you have the engine in the middle. It's a mid-engine car. And just for heat reasons, we put the whole exhaust system over the engine. So the whole heat can just go out of the whole area pretty fast. So everything is open here.
So you don't have exhaust down here.
Exactly.
And does that also help with being aerodynamic?
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow. So it's like every detail is so thought out to make sure it's just the ultimate aerodynamic perfection.
I think it's the most performance-focused street car you can have.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's like something that's been on my bucket list forever. Go to Germany, drive like the best car ever. Feels good to be in the driver's seat.
Everything is driver orientated and you can change all the settings, driving related.
This red button, are you sure that's not an eject?
No,
You're gonna
no.
go out of the car?
No, it's a hot lap button. So it makes everything in the car just focused on performance. So the rear wing is coming up. The whole hybrid system is going for maximum performance.
So basically you keep that on all the time.
For you, maybe yes.
Okay. And it has a sound system too.
Yeah, it's a Burmester sound system, which is super cool. That's good, eh?
Look here, let me tell you something. I don't worry myself.
But it's not the only good music in here.
What you don't know won't hurt you.
What are you talking about?
The best music is still coming from the back. So now you're allowed to start the engine if you want. Come on.
It's time to do it.
There it is. It's 4.6 liter V8 engine. Rev it up.
Oh my god. That sounds so good. Oh my god.
Be careful, man. Sounds good. Sounds pretty good, huh?
All right, let's do it.
Later. The 918 is a hybrid car. The battery is located somewhere here. And we have 2 electric engines with a combined performance of 160 horsepower. We have a combined output of 887 horsepower with this. So you can not only save fuel, you can also increase performance of the car.
You could just drive to dinner.
Exactly. Yeah.
And you only
Full
have to bring
electric.
one person, which is
Yeah.
nice. So you save money on the dinner.
Exactly.
Because you've had to pay extra for the car. So I heard at Nordschleife this car broke records back in 2013.
Was the first plug-in hybrid going sub 7, which is really something like a benchmark. At that time, it was the world record. And in the meantime, there were not so many cars going faster. So it's still top level. It's all just focused on performance. And from 0 to 60 miles, it's just 2.6 seconds, which is insane.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, so I feel like we've been at like a cooking show. And I've been like, you've been telling me about like the best food in the world, and we've been like looking at it. Listen, man, I'm so hungry to drive this car.
Oh, come on, man. There you go.
Yes! Okay, let's do this.
All that worrying ain't no use. Oh no. I'm warning all you fellas to look at life the way I do. Come on now. She's gonna give it away.
Man, I like this car.
It just ain't no use in worrying now. She's gonna
Thank you,
give it
Lars
away.
and Ansel. Drive safely on the Autobahn. See you then, guys. Next time, we will travel through time and discover the most iconic motorsport legends. See you then, guys.